Here's your 500-word YouTube script in one long paragraph, written in English and focused on the 2027 Mercedes-Benz E-Class review covering exterior, performance, interior, and pricing. Today we're taking a detailed look at the all-new 2027 Mercedes-Benz E-Class, a model that marks a major evolution for this luxury sedan as it transitions into the modern era, combining a striking design, advanced performance, a sumptuous interior, and pricing that aims to balance prestige with value. Starting with the exterior, the 2027 E-Class moves away from the controversial blob styling that Mercedes experimented with on some of its recent electric models and returns to a more classic three-box sedan silhouette that feels familiar yet refreshed, with a long, elegant hood, clean side profile, a defined trunk deck, and a prominent front grille framed by sleek LED headlights that all contribute to a presence that's both athletic and luxurious. This design language cleverly blends tradition with modern cues, making the E-Class instantly recognizable and more appealing to buyers who prefer timeless Mercedes aesthetics over overly futuristic looks. Performance is where the new E-Class really shines thanks to its next-generation electric architecture built on Mercedes' MB.EA platform with dual-motor all-wheel drive producing around 483 horsepower and a robust torque delivery that makes acceleration lively and confident, backed by an estimated range north of 400 miles on a full charge and fast charging capability that can take the battery from 10 to 80% in roughly 20 minutes, giving you both everyday usability and long-distance comfort without frequent stops. The electric powertrain also means a near-silent ride, and adaptive air suspension helps smooth out bumps while maintaining composed handling whether you're cruising through city streets or carving up winding roads. Inside, the E-Class sets a new benchmark for luxury and technology with a meticulously crafted cabin featuring premium materials like Nappa leather, open-pore wood or aluminum trims, ambient lighting with multiple zones, and an advanced MBUX hyperscreen setup that spans the dashboard with crisp displays for the driver, infotainment, and even a passenger screen, all integrated with the latest voice assistant and augmented reality navigation features that elevate the overall experience. Seating front and rear is generous, with comfort in mind through heating, ventilation, massage functions, and available executive rear seat options that make long journeys feel effortless, while wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, 5G connectivity, and over-the-air updates keep the tech fresh long after you drive it home. And when it comes to pricing, the 2027 E-Class sits in a competitive luxury segment with starting figures estimated around $75,000 USD for the base rear-wheel drive model, climbing into the mid-$80,000s and above for all-wheel drive and well-equipped trims, with AMG-enhanced versions pushing into the $95,000–$105,000 range depending on options and performance upgrades, which puts it in direct contention with rivals like the BMW i5, Audi A6 e-tron, and Tesla Model S while offering the unmistakable Mercedes-Benz badge and a blend of comfort and tech that buyers in this market crave. Overall, the 2027 E-Class isn't just a facelift, it's a redefined executive sedan that blends classic Mercedes luxury with future-ready electric performance and a price that reflects its premium positioning.